morning and hello, I'm Fresco. This is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review and Forex Briefing for Wednesday the 4th of January 2023. Yesterday we had a go at 3 horses in a 7 horse race. We managed to find the eventual winner, which was handy. It's Wolverhampton 7 o'clock. We were on this wacky Umi, which came 6th at 5 to 2. It drifted significantly. It was the favourite originally. And that was a sort of a gutsy Irish horse coming from Dundalk off the all-weather, and had a run here as well. And it had potential to win, but it's probably just a little bit peak now. And the one, then we quite like this Confederation, which came 3rd at 9 to 1. We got 12.5 to 1 on that. And we also like this, the eventual win of this Carriad Angel, which won at 2 to 1, which was backed right in. We got 8.2 to 1 first thing yesterday morning. So we had £1 per £8 unit on each of those. So that's £100 each for us. That's £300, 0.375 exposure, and we ended up with £5.89 per win on the £3 stake. So that's £589 for us. So £5.89, nearly £6 on a £3 stake, so it's just below 2 to 1 return, having messed about with 3 horses. So not bad. And the fact that they back, normally when they back our horses in, they lose, but for some reason this one decided to win, so that was handy. And the accounts come up a bit more, so it's plus 55.64 units in profit overall, from a peak of about 72. So we're sort of slowly getting back there. We've had a good pasting, but we're starting to get our act together. Now on the Forex front, sorry about the racing today, we've had a good look at it. There's nothing really up for grabs, and we'll just have to leave it and have a look tomorrow. So that's a little bit disappointing, but we've got a win in the locker, and we can always do a little bit of research to keep our horse racing addiction going. So on the Forex front, yesterday we had a little go at the Euro Yen order. It didn't get filled. We got soft German data again, CPI, and it didn't really give us much of a bounce there. Yesterday was all about dollar strength really, and today we've got a small window. We've got Wednesday, so Wednesday we've got 1500, 3 o'clock today. We've got ISM, manufacturing PMI, purchasing managers index. So it's an inflation measure, which is going to be of interest because the FOMC minutes are at 1900. So FOMC minutes, which is going to set the tone really for the next probably 3 to 4 weeks at least of trading, what the Fed starts making noises at here. And we've had a sort of a ramp up in the dollar yesterday. Now we're going to try and there's going to be a window. Clearly there's going to be a window between this data coming out and the reaction to this data, and people wanting to be fairly neutral or square just before this FOMC minutes. Now, so if you get, what you want to look for if you're going to trade is pairs that have been significantly extended either to the downside or the upside prior to this 1500 period, and put an order against them really. So if the market's gone up, sell order. If the market's overstretched to the downside, buy order, because they will be very twitchy about holding positions into the Fed minutes. So you're likely to get a sort of run for the exit sort of trade there, and that we can't really say what it's going to be, because we've got a whole morning's trading ahead of us, and beginning of the American sessions. So but if you look out, basically you're going to be looking for euro pairs and dollar pairs. Have a look at the 7 relative pairs on those, and look for some overextension. The dollar Swiss is a possibility, although we don't know how it's going to pan out. The dollar chuff. So because if that gets overextended, so if the dollar's starting to ramp up prior to this ISM, and that means the Swiss is weakening, and the Swiss is quite often used as a run for the exits trade as well. It's a safe haven style currency. So if you get an overextension on the dollar Swiss, then a sell order is likely to have a lot going for it as you run into those 4 hours in between that tier 1 data coming out and the Fed minutes anyway. So it's just a thought. With regards to swing trading, well, obviously we're going to have to see what Powell's banging on about, and then we'll let you know how the market is literally swinging in the future. So we're not in that game just yet, so we'll have to wait and see. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and hopefully we can keep this good patch going. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.